now this is SPM 2018. Your given P is log base AQ. State the condition of A. Now when you have a base, right, your base can be any number except, sorry, there are too many exceptions. It has to be a positive number. Cannot be 0. Yeah, cannot be 0. So A must be greater than 0. Okay, so that is the condition. B. Now you're given this. How do you express y in terms of x? I'm going to break it up first. I need to get rid of what do you call that? Logarithm. Number one, I think I keep the left hand side, don't do anything. But the right hand side, right, I can change the base to 1 over log base 3 xy. Now, like I said earlier, log AB is 1 over log BA. So xy is now my number here. Yeah, xy, A here, your base becomes a number. Xy becomes a number. 3 becomes your base, and as I invert this, I switch up, is 2 log base 3 xy, correct? And I can bring the power 2 up, you get x squared y squared. Now remember, our goal is to find y in terms of x, so I can compare now. Y is x squared y squared. Bring the x squared down, bring the y down, you cancel them, you get 1 over x squared. Okay.